I'm all sweaty and a little out of breath. So I built a spider. More so, I built the support structure for our spider. My husband kept telling me, oh, he needed to get a new saw to do it, and I just used our hacksaw, our hand hacksaw, and did it myself. So I'll go ahead and I'll show you guys that. I got to figure out how I'm going to build the body and where I want the legs exactly, so I can go ahead and I can glue the PVC pipe together so it doesn't move, because otherwise it'll fall apart every time you touch it. The spider, he's pretty big. I say he's a decent size. I feel pretty good about it. Like I said, the legs are a little closer together than I want, but I think that in reality, you know, you see it, you can tell what it is. So we will get the body started here soon. We're gonna wait for it to cool down. It's 98 degrees right now, so it's hot. It is hot. I did this while my kids were taking a nap, and they're awake now, so I have to kind of stop. But I am pretty proud of it. I think he looks pretty good. Once I figure out how I'm gonna do the body, and then I got to figure out supports and where I'm gonna put them and how I'm gonna put them in. I may come in here in the middle, in between these legs here, and get a longer piece of PVC pipe and just go ahead and make it like a stake going down to the ground. That's kind of what I'm thinking of right now. But I really just wanted to see if I could get them built, and I think I did a good job. So I hope you guys like it, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.